Here's how to always show the menu bar even in full screen on your Mac. Now, when you're in full screen, maybe watching a video, if you still wanted the menu bar, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, we'll get into your settings. So at the top left, tap on the Apple icon here, and then go down to System Settings and tap on that. Now that we're into your settings, all we need to do is scroll down on the left-hand side until we get to Control Center. Once we're in the Control Center, we'll scroll down until we get towards the bottom. You can see the second to last automatically hide and show the menu bar, and you can choose to automatically hide it in full screen, or if you wanted to, I can switch this to never. And essentially will never hide that menu bar. It will always be visible even if you're on full screen or just the normal view. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.